Now it is time to write our first Java application. This is a very simple application. We just want to say hello to Java. For this first Java application, I don't want to use any special tools or IDEs, just a text editor and JDK itself. Create a folder where you want to keep your Java projects. I have created a folder called Java Projects in my drive C. Then inside that folder, create another folder for this project and name it Hello Project. Now open Notepad and write your first Java application. I know that this is too much code for just a hello world message, but I will put the code in description so you can copy and paste it here. Now save the file with the name main.java. Pay attention to the capital letters. The file name must match the class name exactly. Now open your terminal, navigate to the project folder with cd command. For me, the command is like this. Now we want to compile the project. To do so, type the command javac main.java. Now check the project folder. You will see another file named main.class here. That's the compiled class in bytecode format. You can run this file everywhere that has a Java runtime or JRE. To run this Java application, open your terminal and run this Java command. We do not need to add the .class extension here, so only Java main and press enter. And this is the output of our first copy of Java. Look at the code again. Here we have a Java class, and inside that we have a method. And inside that method, we just ask system to print hello message in the output. And here in the output, we get the exact same message as hello Java that we have in the code. I want to ask you to change this code and add your name to the greeting. For instance, hello Java, it's Ali, and then compile and run it. Share your first Java development experience with me, and thanks for watching. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.